Hello everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 9 outfits from just 5 pieces. These looks are great inspiration for back to school season when you get very bored of wearing the same clothes in the same way over and over again. The first outfit features a black bodysuit and a gingham skirt. For this look, you can use any black tank or pattern skirt that you own. My bodysuit is from PacSun and the gingham skirt is from Urban Outfitters. For shoes, I kept it simple with my monochrome white low-top Converse. I'll be wearing these with pretty much all my outfits because I honestly think that they look good with everything. I also wore the same jewelry in most of these outfits. My rings are from Pura Vida, the satellite chain choker is from Brandy Melville, and the crescent necklace was bought at a local art fair, but I'll link similar ones to the description box down below. For the next look, I just added the white satin button-up over the bodysuit to give it a more put-together look. This would be really good if you were going somewhere maybe a little bit dressier. You don't want quite as casual of a tank top look going on. And you can tie up the shirt. You could also wear it off the shoulder, or you could just drape it over your shoulders. And I showed how to do all those different looks. And here I also added a few accessories to the look just to give it a little bit more style. The sunglasses that I have on are from Amazon, and the little black backpack is from Edie. For the third outfit, I paired the bodysuit with a pair of light wash mom jeans from Brandy Melville. I love how simple this look is, but I still think it looks very put together. For the shoes, I'm still wearing the white Converse. In this outfit, especially, I think that accessories can really elevate the simple look and make you look much more put together. For the fourth outfit, I layered a white crew neck tee under the bodysuit. I actually really like the way this turned out, but I do think that it would look better with a looser tank instead of the tight bodysuit that I have in the video. In the fifth outfit, I went back to basics and I paired the white Calvin Klein jeans crew neck with the mom jeans. You can wear any white tee for this look, but I do like the way that this Calvin Klein jeans shirt looked because it has a little bit more of a pattern on the front and a little bit of detailing. I think a basic white crew neck would still look nice, but I think it's nice to have something that has a little bit of writing on it. As you can see, I chose to style the shirt a few different ways. I half tucked it first, but then I also tied it into a knot. In general, I think that tying basic t-shirts into a knot just gives it a little bit more style and elevates the look a little bit more. I also added a belt to this look. Since the one I used had a gold buckle, I changed my silver necklaces for gold ones. And the one with the white beads is from Brandy Melville. And then the one with the satellite look is from Francesca's. In the sixth outfit, I paired the white tee with the gingham skirt. I styled it tucked in, but I also knotted the shirt in the front. I think that sometimes people get scared to put casual t-shirts with skirts, but I think that the contrast can actually look really nice. For the seventh outfit, I kept the skirt on and switched the top for the white silk blouse. I buttoned a few of the middle buttons and then I tied the bottom part. Here I got a lot more creative with different ways to wear the button up. First I tried tying it off the shoulder. I think this look is actually so trendy and looks really nice. I feel like a lot of fashion bloggers on Instagram tend to wear their button-up shirts this way. And then I also tried it fully tucked in. I think that that would look really nice if you were going somewhere maybe a little bit dressier or you just wanted to look a little bit more classy. And also, I tied it up just like I did in the last outfit, and I think just tying it in a knot at the bottom gives it a little bit more of a casual, trendy, chic vibe. And button-ups are such a great staple piece to have in your wardrobe because they're so versatile. You can layer them over tank tops, you can wear them by themselves, and they just go with a bunch of different things. Do you guys see how easy that was? I hope you guys enjoyed all these looks and that they gave you inspiration on some new ways to style your own basic pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. All the links to the items will be down below in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Bye!